Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? Welcome to my channel. Today's lesson is about the plural form in Amharic. To get the plural form of a word, all you have to do is add a suffix to the singular form. The suffix is och or woch, depending on the ending. The ending meaning the last letter in the word. You add the suffix och only to a word that ends with the vowel sound I. The word has to end with a letter that has the I vowel sound, like set, set. That means woman or girl. As you can see, the last letter T has the I vowel sound, so we add och to get the plural form. The letters with the I vowel sound are the ones highlighted in green. These are all the letters that are in the 6th column of the Ge'ez alphabet. For all other endings, we use woch, woch. Here you can see 5 different words with 5 different endings. Fish in Amharic is asa, asa, asa. The ending is a, the a vowel sound. A sock is kalsi, kalsi, ends with e. Beast is aure, 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 which ends with a. Proud is kuru, kuru, kuru. It ends with u. Belt is qabeto, qabeto, and it ends with o. For all these endings, you use woch, woch. Let's look at these one by one. Asa, asa woch, asa woch. Kalsi, kalsi woch, kalsi woch, kalsi woch. Aure, aure woch, aure woch, aure woch. Proud, kuru, kuru woch, kuru woch. This is like saying proud ones. Sometimes even adjectives can change from singular to plural form. Qabeto, qabetoch, qabetoch, qabetoch. Can you change these words from singular to plural? Sofa, sofa. Pants or trousers, suri. Seed, fire. Cottage, gojo. Mean, ክፉ. As I mentioned earlier, we add och to endings with the I vowel sound. Although all of these words end with the I vowel sound, I didn't put the symbol there, like this, because we do not emphasize the I sound when the letter is at the end of the word. For instance, we don't say ክንፍ, we say ክንፍ. We don't say ሴት, we say ሴት, even though both last letters have the I sound. So one thing to remember with och is that you do not write the letter O. It's not written. Instead, the last letters that end with I change. As you can see here, f becomes fo. The singular form is ክንፍ. The plural form is ክንፎች, ክንፎች, wings. only the sound merges with the word, which automatically changes the letter from f to fo. ክንፍ ክንፎች wings ክንፎች ሴት ሴቶች women or girls ሴቶች t becomes to ልጅ ልጆች children ልጆች j becomes jo ደብተር ደብተሮች notebooks ደብተሮች r becomes ro ስልክ ስልኮች phones ስልኮች ስልኮች k becomes ko ክንፎች ክንፎች ሴቶች ሴቶች ልጆች ልጆች ደብተሮች 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 ስልኮች 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 Change these words that end with the vowel sound to plural form. Cat, ድመት, house, ቤት, hyena, ጅብ, tooth, ጥርስ